Good afternoon. Today we are going to explain our project Bluetooth Control Home Automation System. And this project is from the subject microcontrollers and its applications. Like we are from VIT College. So we are going to continue our project. Imagine that you can control the electronic appliances of your home from anywhere inside the house just using your smartphone. In this project, we will use wireless Bluetooth technology to control the home electronic appliances through an Android phone. Bluetooth has a range of 10 to 15 meters so that you can switch on and off any electronic appliance within the range. So we'll start with the explanation of Bluetooth module. What is Bluetooth module? And it will be explained by Sumant Reddy.
Now I will explain about HC05 Bluetooth module consists two things. One is Bluetooth series interference module, and a Bluetooth adapter. Bluetooth series module is used for converting serial port to Bluetooth. Now, how to operate Bluetooth module? You can directly use the Bluetooth module after purchasing from market because there is no need to change any settings of Bluetooth module. Default baud rate of Bluetooth module is 9600 Mbps. You just need to connect RX and TX to the controller and the series converter to give 5 volts DC regulated power supplying to the module. Bluetooth module has.
Now it will be like we are going to discuss the main components. What are the main components required for the project, and it will be continued by Police Sai Krishna.
The main components required for this project are 8051 microcontroller, Bluetooth module HC05, relay ULN2003, and bulb, holder, wire IC7805, and a Android phone, Bluetooth controller app, and 10 UF capacitor and 1000 UF capacitor, 10K resistor, 1K resistor, and power supply.
So we are just going to discuss how it works. So in this project, we have used 8051 microcontroller for controlling the whole process of this project. This is the main component of our project, and a Bluetooth module, and it's also the main component. This Bluetooth module is used for controlling the home appliances wirelessly. Home appliances will get turned on and off when user will touch button in the Bluetooth mobile app in the Android mobile phone. To run this project, first we need to download Bluetooth app from Google Play Store. We can use any Bluetooth app that can send data using Bluetooth. Here are some apps. I'm going to explain. I'm going to name the apps. There are two apps generally: Bluetooth SPP Pro and Bluetooth Controller. After installing the app, you need to open it and then search Bluetooth device and select HC05 Bluetooth device, and then configure generally. Here in this project, we have used Bluetooth Controller app generally, but just download it from the Play Store. After installing, just turn on the mobile Bluetooth and just open the Bluetooth Controller app, and it looks like the slide I have shown. It looks same as that, and you have to press scan for once. Then select desired Bluetooth device. Like in our case, it's Bluetooth module HC05. Now set keys by pressing set buttons on the screen. You can see here the set buttons. To set keys, we need to press set button and set key according to the picture. Like here I've shown the picture, and it's according to the picture below. After setting keys, press OK. You can see in the above picture that there are 9 buttons, in which first row is for fan controlling. Second one is for light controlling. It's not necessary that fan or light, you can control any device. So for example, I am explaining this. And means first row is on and off buttons are used for on and off of fan, and the second row is used for on and off of light, and the third one for TV. Now when we touch any button in Bluetooth Controller app, then Android phone sends a value. Bluetooth module sends the received value, and the microcontroller reads it and compare it with predefined value. If any matches occurred, then microcontroller performs relative operation. Same operation will be performed each time when the button is pressed. Now further it will be explained by Sri Harsha.
Now, when user touch fan on button in Bluetooth controller app, then microcontroller receives one via Bluetooth module, and then controller switch on the fan by using the relay driver and relay. And when user touches fan off button in Bluetooth controller app, then the microcontroller receives two via fan turn, via Bluetooth module, and and then controller switch off the fan by using the relay driver and relay. Likewise, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are sent by Android phone when light on, light off, TV on, TV off button has been touched respectively. Now, my friend will explain the remaining.
So, so now block diagram as simple as is it, Bluetooth module, then it goes to H051, and relays are used to get the signal to fan, light, and TV. Now further, it will be explained by the name Venkat Sai Aditya. Circuit diagram will be explained by him.
Okay, my name is Aditya. I'm now going to explain the circuit explanation. Circuit connections of this product are very simple. Bluetooth modules, RX and TX pins are directly connected to the TX and RX pins of microcontroller, and the three 5-volt relays are used as switch for turning on and off the home appliances running on AC mains. And a relay driver ULN 2003 is used for driving relays. The fan, light, and TV are connected at P2.1 and P2.2 and P2.3 via relays and relay driver. And 11.0592 megahertz crystal oscillator is used this circuit for generating clock signal for microcontroller. And a 5-volt and a 5-volt regulator LM7805 is used for provide 5-volt for the whole circuit. Now my friend will continue.
This is what our project is meant for. This is circuit extension, and as you can see in the picture, our project, if done in hardware, may look exactly like this. Instead of TV and all, we just use 3 LEDs here. As doing with TV and all, this is the breadboard connections for that, and here is our mobile phone. Now, coming to conclusion, Bluetooth controlled home automation system is microcontroller was built and implemented. Using microcontroller was built and implemented. The project is made with the aim of making control of our home appliances with our smartphones. You can sit here in the sofa or some bed, and you can control everything, light on, off, or off, the TV or fan or light sitting here. We can build on the small model and can control all appliances with the help of our smartphone. We can enable notifications in smartphones, and this will notify that user that which appliances are used and which are not in use. You can get just information from the smartphone notifications. And now we are just gonna explain our code. It will take 1 minute. We are going to explain our code for now. Our whole code is written by using the language C++, and we all work together to write the code. So in this program, first of all, we all have included header file and defined input according to C++ controls and all, and output pins of the, we have defined input and output pins of the variable. After this, here we have created a function called delay, as you can see my arrow mark. And after creating the function, here we have some functions that we used in our program. In this, we have configured 900 bps baud rate at 11.0592 megahertz of crystal frequency from here. Then afterwards, these are the functions using that frequency and all. Then 1 minute. After this, we have created a function for delay. After creating a function for delay, here we have some functions for crystal frequency and all. And from here, after this, in the main program, we have initialized UART and monitored the SBUF register for receiving data. Then data is matched and compared with predefined values, and relative operation has been performed from here. So That's it. So coming to the end, so that's how we can create a whole system for the house and can connect all the AC appliances to the 8051 microcontrollers. Relay is the most important part here, and Bluetooth control home automation system can be just done using a smartphone. Thank you. Recording of there.
ఏం చేస్తున్నావు?